So you got a new truck. It's got a huge lift kit on it. You have a few problems. If it's way up there like this, you need a way to get in. We're here at Rolling Big Power in Southern California. They're loading up boxes. We're gonna go through the boxes and find you a solution that's right for your truck. Take a look. Here it is, the RX series. This is so cool. You know, I mean, if you get a new truck, this is one of the coolest things you could do right out of the box. And of course, I went right to the top. Kelly Ash, who's Vice President, General Manager of Rolling Big Power.
Yep.
Thank you so much for coming along today.
Absolutely,
you know,
thanks.
Let me ask you, what's the difference? I mean, there are a lot of people in this game, but everyone seems to gravitate towards Rolling Big Power. What's your secret?
Absolutely. So we are huge on attention to detail. The number one thing that all of our steps have to offer is their full OE replacement.
Right.
So no drilling is required. You can use all of the OE holes that come in your truck, and we include all of the hardware. So we include everything that you need to do the job right. Detailed instructions, and if you still get stuck at a certain spot, we have all of our team here that answers every call and can help you through if you're stuck with your truck on jack stands trying to put your steps on.
She knows, that's me. That's a story about my life. Now let's talk about, I mean, the fitment's amazing. It fits this, the RX3, of course, goes right under the cab door.
Sure does. They're cab length only.
And you don't lose, you know, ride height or anything like that. It's not dragging down.
Nope.
It just fits right in.
Yep.
Let's talk about the stainless steel.
Yeah, absolutely. So these are polished stainless steps. These come in 304 stainless, so it's true stainless and it won't rust. And because of that, we actually put a lifetime warranty on rust on these. Our RX3 black, this is a textured powder coated finish. These are also have a stainless steel base, so you won't have to worry about rust, even in the harsher climates like Canada. And we do include a 3-year warranty on these on the finish.
Now, here's something you want to look at. If you take a real close peek, we talk about detail, you'll see the mesh in there. Now that's that's an idea you guys came up with.
Yes, so the mesh is patented. It's a very iconic design for us. A lot of people love the look of it. And the best part about it is it does protect your truck's finish from those rocks from your big knobby mud terrain tires that get kicked up.
Now, as you look forward, you'll see the inserts. That's a cool little touch that I've always noticed, whether you're at SEMA or whether you're at, you know, some of these big, huge shows. Rolling Big Power comes in, and the cool things that I love is the color matching ability of so many of your parts, and just the thought of how it's going to look, not only performance, but the look.
Exactly.
Tell us a little bit about this.
So a lot of what we do and what they do is they will paint to match, powder coat to match their truck. And in that is the step pad. So the step pad is removable, so you can paint to match the step pad as well as the pad underneath. So a lot of the trucks come with an accent color, right? The one behind us has copper. We offer a lot of options for our customers to be able to paint to match as well as put the custom color underneath, giving it that extra custom finish.
Here's what you gotta do. If you're looking for a step, go to rollingbigpower.com. You can click on, that's what I love also. You can click down, there's all these little windows. You click down here, you say your year, your make, your model.
And this will pop right up.
How many models do you have? I mean, it's a zillion, it seems like.
Yeah, we have hundreds of models for our RX3 steps, and you can literally put in your year, make, model, cab length, and it'll pop right up with your options. Take a look. If you want more information, you can find them on the website. And while you're there, before checkout, see if you qualify for a swag bag. These are very cool. Absolutely. Rollingbigpower.com. Thanks.